Connie and I went swimming at Magens Bay in the Virgin Islands, where you can see Connie waving and a seagull on a buoy. And it's too bad that people walked in front of the camera, and I know the video is kind of shaky, but you can see that it's a beautiful place, and this was one of the best days we spent on our vacation.